Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I plant one of my tomatoes that I started indoors. The first step is to making sure that wherever you plant it, the soil or the ground is loose. You don't want to plant it where it's super hard and you can't dig even by hand. This particular plant is called sweet tangerine. It's determinate, so that means it gets to a certain point and it will stop growing. You want to roughen up the roots a little bit so that it's able to send out shoots, and you want to plant it a good ways down, probably to about here. It's a vine, so it will shoot off new roots wherever it is in contact with the soil. It's important that after you're done planting, you take off the bottom leaves. You don't want to do them all at once because you can shock the plant. But I'm going to take off this first leaf and stem on the right hand side, and then as the plant grows taller, I'll remove that second branch. As long as you keep about 10 inches away from the soil for the first stem, you should be all set. That way it doesn't get any diseases and you can keep your plant healthy. I will put stakes in once it gets a little bigger. Here's a little tour after I got everything planted. This trellis is where I'm going to plant my cucumbers in the center. Right here are my 3 tomatillos. And then this is the start of my tomato plants. I put them all around the edges and I will stake them up when they get a little bit bigger. And I go all the way to the end here. These are my green beans that I started indoors. I have 6 different varieties. And here's another tomato plant. These are my peas. I planted these peas in one of my first videos that I started indoors. They will grow up this trellis. And also here too, another variety. Thank you for watching.